Ooh-wee.
Wow.
Mm.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my God! Look at the caramel. Oh, there's onions in there. The pickles.
Wow.
Woo!
This is happening.
An infinite dip. Oh.
This is happening.
What's up, guys? So Father's Day is coming up and we wanted to share some plant-based recipes that are perfect for dads. Now I know you saw the title today and I know you guys are probably thinking, salads?
Salads?
And that's because we don't share a lot of salads on this channel. So, you know, if we're sharing a salad recipe on this channel, it's a bop.
It's a bop.
And today we're gonna be sharing a salad that is inspired by the Fussy Hussy from Slutty Vegan. Go ahead and check out our Slutty Vegan video and it'll tell you all about the recipe. And it'll tell you all about the restaurant and you'll see our first video that was inspired by them. So let's go inside and get this Fussy Hussy fixed up. Alright, so this salad is for anybody who doesn't really think that salads are going to make them full, but this salad is going to make you full, and this is why.
Alright, so it comes with Impossible Burger Patty loaded with pickle, vegan cheese, caramelized onions, lettuce, tomato, slutty sauce on a vegan Hawaiian bun. We're not using slutty sauce though.
But we ain't using no slutty sauce. We using that infinite dip.
Infinite dip.
And we using Morningstar. And we using Morningstar Grillers Crumbles.
Which, if you check out our other video, you'll be able to see all the meats and dairy. I can't take you serious with that face.
How about this one? How about this?
All the meat and dairy. The meat and dairy. All the vegan meats and cheeses that you're gonna love if you love meat and dairy. That's what I wanted to say.
Meats and cheeses.
Oh,
and we're using that Violife.
That Violife.
Violife, best on the market right now.
And the lettuce and the tomatoes and stuff, we already cut everything up here. All organic.
All organic. You want to go organic, especially with the lettuce. That is part of the, what is it called? The Dirty Dozen?
Yes, lettuce is part of the Dirty Dozen, which means it gets sprayed with a lot of pesticides, so you always want to go with organic. And we always do organic produce in this house anyway.
Now, some variations. If you guys want to do a little bit of variations to add body to your salad, you can add some avocado.
Yes.
And we're also going to add some cucumber.
Yeah, let's get to cooking.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, so that is the meat in the pot, and all we do is add a little bit of water to steam it.
That's
and that
right.
is all you do to like cook it up, right?
That's right. That's right. So
that's all you need.
The water. And you put that bad boy on high heat. I would say for about 5 to 6 minutes. Alright, so while that is cooking, we're going to go ahead and prepare our bread for our Hawaiian bun croutons.
Bomb.
Because my wife is a genius.
Genius.
Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to butter that bad boy up.
These Hawaiian buns are from Kroger also.
Yes, most of the bread that we use for these recipes is from Kroger because a lot of their breads are vegan.
Yeah.
Go ahead and butter that up just like that. Just like that. Chop that up. Just like so. And you know, you guys know how you like your croutons. So you chop them up to your liking in terms of the size.
Yeah.
And this will give you a nice healthy amount of croutons.
You can also toss this around a little bit of melted butter too, so that way both sides get butter on them.
Absolutely. Just want to put your bread on your pan for your croutons.
And if you want, you can season these up. You can, you know, go all out with these.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and bake that for about, I would say about 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so in the meantime, we are going to cut up our caramelized onions, which we're going to add to the meat.
Oh yeah, because we're not putting it on the salad itself.
No.
I want nice long strips.
Okay.
Okay, that's already not.
That's long strips. See, look, long strips. Long strips.
That ain't long.
Alright, so after your 5 or 6 minutes, you want to go ahead and add your cut up onions.
That's gonna get nice and caramelized in there. You're gonna cover it back?
I'm gonna cover it back and steam it for another 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
Alright, so right now we're gonna go ahead and season up our meat with some black pepper, garlic powder, and some chili powder. Alright? And after we go ahead and season this bad boy up, then we're gonna throw on our cheese.
Yes.
And that's gonna make it extra decadent.
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 That's how they say it in France.
Decadent.
Go ahead and do that.
Oh my gosh, that smells so good.
Oh yeah.
Just a tiny bit of cheese on this. A tiny bit of cheese, and then we're gonna cover that back.
And then we're just gonna cover this back up.
So how long is this meat actually on for?
So, in the span of time that we've taken to do stuff,
about 10 minutes?
Yeah, this meat's been on for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. And I would say just put it for like 2 more minutes. Just enough time for the cheese to go ahead and melt.
Yeah, people are always asking how we melt vegan cheese, and
you need a little bit of water.
Yeah. And time.
And time and a cover.
Yeah.
And you're good to go. So right now we're gonna go ahead and cut up our pickles. This is how you like it?
Yeah, that's a good size. That's a good size for the pickles.
Right.
Thank you.
Always gotta make sure that your wife is happy, man.
Even on Father's Day.
Even on Father's Day, you gotta make sure that your wife is happy. Right?
That's perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh, did we show them the croutons yet?
We did not. So, all right, so I know I said about 5 minutes, but you want to take about, about 5 to 7 minutes, just depending on how your oven works. You can also do it on broil if that works better for you guys. But we have the toaster oven, like we said in our other video.
All right, guys. So yeah, this is how the croutons turned out. Some of them got a little more sunburnt than others.
Yeah.
But blackberry,
They got
sun-kissed.
Mix it up.
Oh my gosh, y'all. This meat is like perfect for like vegan chili too.
Yeah, look at that melted cheese in there.
You gotta melt the cheese and the onions and the meat all together. I'm telling y'all. Oh, this house smells like what are those things called? A steakhouse?
Yeah,
oh my gosh.
Like a steakhouse. Is that what it's called?
This is called a steakhouse?
What are those things? A steakhouses?
Oh my gosh, this is the best vegan meat on the market. Like we told you on the last video, but seriously, look how easy this is to cook. Anyone you know who loves ground beef, send them this video. Send them to this exact moment in this video, because you can't tell me this does not look like some straight up ground beef, and it's healthier for you.
Onions in there.
Look at that. And it's only 60 calories per serving. Like, come on now. Come on.
Loaded with protein.
Come on.
You can't go wrong, guys. You can't go wrong. Come on.
Come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. All right, so we got to let this boil down and dry out a little bit, and then we'll put the salad together because everything's ready, right?
Yes.
All right, so we've got that lettuce on there. Now we are piling on that. They can't see that.
Okay.
Y'all didn't see that. Now we're piling on the ground beef. OMG. That's good. That's good. That's good. Woo. Oh my gosh. We told you this is a salad that, oh wait, no, they can't see that. They actually can't see that. Again, this is inspired by, so we are going to be putting in cucumbers, which I know if anyone who works with Slutty Vegan, they're like, cucumbers. But we just want to beef ours up a little bit. Oh, yes, yes, yes,
Ooh,
yes.
Yeah.
Cucumbers.
Just push it down. Tomatoes.
All right, guys, so we decided against the avocado.
Oh, you put the pickles on there. That's
Oh yeah, pickles. Oh yeah, pickles. Like, come on now. My sister's already down here, like, seriously. Got the Hawaiian bun croutons.
You're nasty now.
Got the sister approval. Y'all know that's all that matters. Okay, and then
Croutons.
we got them Hawaiian bun croutons on the top. Okay, so I made the infinite dip, and then I have it here in this bag so we can drizzle it all pretty. So you want to squeeze it across and zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. There we go. All the way across, all the way across. That's the stuff. That's the stuff. Then you just do it again, and then do it again, and then do it again. Ooh, that's the stuff. That's the stuff. That's the stuff. That's the stuff. Ooh. That was real. That was not a sound effect. That was real spit. Real spit.
Ooh-wee.
Wow.
Mm.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my God! Look at
Wow.
the caramelized onions in there. The pickles.
Wow.
Woo!
This is happening.
An infinite dip. Ooh.
This is happening.
Taste it, taste it. All right, let's go ahead and taste this now. Taste it.
Get some meat on there.
Get some meat on that thing. Mmm. Mmm.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
Feel like you're eating a burger?
I feel like I'm eating a gourmet burger.
I know.
Mm.
Here, I want some. Want some?
Mm-hmm.
Want some? I'm getting cool sounds.
I'm getting no cool down.
Mmm.
I'm getting no cool down. Right? Gourmet.
That meat, the cheese melted.
Oh my God, boy. Woo. Mmm. Happy Father's Day.
I know your father. Oh my
This
gosh,
is-
that's good.
Mm.
You know what we need to do this with, right?
Okay.
That other Slutty Vegan burger? The other
That
burger?
other.
That other burger?
That other.
But yeah, guys, stay tuned.
Also, guys, we got a giveaway coming. We're not gonna title the video giveaway,
Right,
but we're gonna put it in the description box.
right. There's a video of ours that you need to go and leave a comment on. I'll put that in the description box below. This is only for the people that actually watch the videos to the end.
This is exclusively for our most loyal subscribers.
Nyla, Vegan Life,
Mama 4,
Nisha, Coffee Girl, Michelle,
LMCM,
yes.
and countless others who watched to the end.
Also, Jesus, Oprah, Beyonce.
Eddie Murphy.
Huge fans of ours. We heard they
Huge
all
fans.
watch. All of them watch.
They all watch. They all subscribe. This is for them. This is for you.
Join the family if you want to
the
join.
family, man.
If you want to join Jesus and Beyonce.
That's it, you know.
Oprah.
But, you know, in the meantime, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share this video with all your friends, all your enemies, all your family members. Share this video.
Until next time,
Drink
your almond milk. Zip up your coat. Let's go zip up your coat.